Hey guys, in this video we are going to be multiplying and dividing mixed numbers. So for this first one, you are going to have to change them to improper fractions first. So a lot of people just try and do the fraction and then do the whole number. That doesn't work. You've got to change them both to improper. So I always say you cartwheel around and then you multiply and then add. So 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4 is 9. The denominator stays the same. I've also heard you make it mad. So you multiply, then add, and keep the denominator. Times, we're going to cartwheel around this one. And it becomes 4/3. You got to check here at this point. This is really helpful with cross simplifying. So you see, is there anything 9 and 3 can both be divided by? Yes, they can both be divided by 3. I'm going to cross it out. The 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. That just gives you a little bit smaller numbers, and you don't have to simplify as much as at the end. So 3 times 4 is 12. 5 times 1 is 5. Now we're going to divide it back. Top dog in the house. So our answer is 2 and 2/5. That denominator stays the same. So your whole number is your quotient, your numerator is your remainder, and your divisor is your denominator, and that's going to stay the same. So go ahead and do number 6 and then check the key. So for dividing fractions, you're going to start out the same way, or dividing mixed numbers, and go ahead and make them into improper. So 2 times 6 plus 1 is 13/6 divided by 1 times 4 is 4 plus 1 is 5/4. So this point we are going to keep, change, reciprocal. A lot of you probably heard flip when you were in elementary school, but that's what you do in gymnastics class. And I'm not your gymnastics teacher, so you are going to use the word reciprocal. That is the mathematical term. So we are going to keep 13/6. Change division to multiplication and do the reciprocal. So the numerator and denominator switch. Then you check to see if you can cross simplify. 6 and 4 can both be divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then we're going to multiply straight across. 13 times 2 is 26. 3 times 5 is 15. Again, we're going to top dog in the house. 26 divided by 15 to make it back to a mixed number. Goes in one time with 11 left over. So we have 1 and 11/15. Go ahead and make sure you have all that work on your paper. Remember, for dividing, you change them to improper, but then you have to still do keep, change, reciprocal. A lot of people think it has an improper fraction now, so it looks like when you've done the reciprocal, but you still have to do the reciprocal after you've changed them to be mixed or to be improper fractions. Go ahead and do the next one on the sheet and check the key.